So for this problem, we are asked to find b, where the log of 1024, the base b is equal to 5 over 2. So what you will do is you will rewrite first this one, this portion. So let's rewrite that one as log of 1024 over log of b, which is your base previously. Okay, so base natin siya, tapos naging ganyan. Then let's equate that one to 5 over 2. Okay, 5 over 2. Then the next thing is you have to cross multiply. You have to multiply that one and this one also multiply. So that will become 2 times the log of 1024 is equal to 5 log of b. Now we are asked to get b, so what we have to do is to divide this one, this portion here, by 5. Bakit 5? Para matanggal itong 5 dito, tapos log b na lang yung tira. Okay, so divide both sides by 5. Yan, makakancel yan, magiging 1. Magiging 1 yan. So 1 times log b is just log b. So rewrite natin si log b. Okay, and then ito, 2 divided by 5 of 2 times log of 1024 over 5. So if you will use your calculator, it will give you 1.204. So para magamit natin itong si log b, ayan, we have to use the anti-log. So anti-log, it means we will raise both ng 10. Yan siya. So that will become b. So if you will use your calculator, this one is equal to 16. So our answer is 16.